South Korea's dramatic reversal of its 9-year crypto ban is set to reshape the digital asset landscape. Listed companies can now invest up to 5% of their equity in the top 20 cryptocurrencies, but strict limits remain. This cautious move aims to repatriate capital, boost domestic blockchain growth, and position South Korea as a digital finance leader in Asia. Tether just froze $182 million in USDT across 5 Tron wallets, marking one of the largest single-day stablecoin enforcement actions ever. This move, triggered by law enforcement requests, highlights how centralized issuers now play a frontline role in global compliance. With over $3.3 billion in USDT frozen since 2023, stablecoins have become key tools for regulators and a major battleground for crypto's future. Dogecoin ETF DOGE gets SEC approval, sparking a 152% surge in trading volume and signaling a new era for regulated crypto investment. 21 shares. Fund features a 0.5% management fee, multi-custody security, and NASDAQ listing, joining Grayscale and Bitwise in offering institutional exposure. South Korea's new rules now allow listed companies to invest in top cryptocurrencies, further boosting global demand. ETQ Technologies just launched the first quantum-resistant Bitcoin testnet, aiming to shield over $650 billion in BTC from future quantum attacks. The new network swaps Bitcoin's ECDSA for MLDSA, a NIST-approved post-quantum algorithm, and invites miners, developers, and users worldwide to test quantum-safe transactions. With US government mandates and major investors warning of quantum risks, this testnet marks a critical milestone for blockchain security. Imagine Ethereum surviving for a century, even if all its developers disappear. Vitalik Buterin unveiled a long-term roadmap, focusing on making Ethereum quantum-resistant, fully decentralized, and stable for generations. Key upgrades include zk-EVM validation, peer DAS data sampling, and a robust account system, aiming for fewer forks and lasting trust. Imagine Ethereum running smoothly, even if every developer disappeared overnight. Vitalik Buterin unveiled a 7-step upgrade roadmap, aiming for quantum resistance, scalability, and true decentralization. The goal is for Ethereum to become trustless collateral, with upgrades handled by parameter changes and validator votes, ensuring stability for decades. Binance just shifted a staggering $249 million worth of Ethereum to a staking address, raising eyebrows across the crypto world. The 80,000 ETH transfer signals Binance's ongoing commitment to Ethereum's proof-of-stake system, locking up coins to support blockchain security and earn rewards. With staking interest surging and trading volume up 165%, this move could tighten ETH supply and influence future price action. Ethereum is set to embed zero-knowledge proofs at its base layer, aiming to boost verification while minimizing data exposure. The Ethereum Foundation confirms this move marks a major step in the network's technical roadmap, with zk-EVM development bringing compact cryptographic proofs directly on-chain. Over time, these upgrades could reshape how Ethereum handles security, privacy, and scalability. Tying stablecoins to the US dollar may look stable now, but Ethereum's Vitalik Buterin warns this approach hides long-term risks. He highlights 3 core problems: over-reliance on the dollar, vulnerable oracles, and staking yields that outcompete stablecoins. Until these are solved, truly decentralized stablecoins remain an unfinished challenge. While many are panic selling, Wells Fargo is quietly amassing Bitcoin, hinting at a major shift in traditional banking. The bank's large-scale BTC purchases and launch of Bitcoin-backed loans show growing institutional confidence, even as market volatility rattles retail traders. This marks Bitcoin's evolution from speculative asset to a recognized financial tool within regulated finance. Blockchain analysis uncovered that 2 UK-registered crypto exchanges processed over $1 billion in stablecoin transactions tied to Iran's IRGC. TRM Labs found Zkex and Zgexion handled most transfers in USDT on Tron, with IRGC-linked flows peaking at 87% of their volume in 2024, before dropping to 48% in 2025. Direct transfers to US-sanctioned entities and integration with Turkish payment processors were also revealed. A French tax agent allegedly sold sensitive personal data of crypto users, exposing them to targeted physical attacks. In 2025, France saw a record surge in violent crypto thefts, highlighting the risks of centralized data leaks. This case underscores the urgent need for stronger personal data protection as digital assets become more mainstream.